Welcome to the channel Fact Info, and today I am going to tell you the most amazing and mind-blowing facts. So let's go toward the first fact. 1. It's really amazing and mind-blowing facts. Look at this picture. Friends, believe it or not, this is a wax sculpture created by artist Sam James. And friends, there is not only this sculpture, there are so many sculptures. Now I am going to show you some of those. This is the first sculpture and this is second. Literally guys, those sculptures are looking real. And what do you think about this? Sculpture should be like that. 2. Friends, do you think only humans know to commit suicide? Then no friends, because dolphins, whales and apes are the only animals other than humans know to commit suicide. That means guys, those animals also feel sad. This is the most intelligent group photo ever. Participants of the 5th Solvay Conference on Quantum Mechanics 1927, Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr and others. 28 out of the 29 in this picture are Nobel Prize winner. And friends, tell me, have you seen this picture before? Friends, I know everyone have seen the candle burning on earth with the gravity. But friends, have you seen the candle burning on the earth or anywhere with zero gravity? If you haven't seen it, then I am going to show you. Friends, look at this picture. In zero gravity, a candle flame is round and blue. And friends, tell me into the comment section, have you seen this candle before or not? Friends, do you know about that aroma which is produced after raining? Friends, the name of this aroma is called petrichor. Petrichor is the term coined by Australian scientists in 1964 to describe the unique earth smells associated with rain. It is caused by the water from the rain along with the certain compounds like ozone, geosmin and plant soil. Stearic acid and palmitic acid are common plant soil. And friends, in next video I will tell you the benefits of this smell also. You have seen red apple, green apple, but I am damn sure you haven't seen this apple. Look at this picture. These are known as ghost apples, formed when water freezes on an apple that later root away. Friends, those are really ghost apples. And tell me, would you like to eat this apple? Do you know that who had invented the cotton candy and what was the first name of cotton candy? Friends, cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Dentist William Morrison and confectioner John Wharton invented machine spun cotton candy in 1897. It was first introduced at the 1904 World's Fair as fairy floss. Then another dentist, Joseph, reinvented the machine in 1921. He came up with the name cotton candy, which replaced fairy floss. That means guys, the first name of the cotton candy was fairy floss and cotton candy had been invented or discovered by a dentist. Blood donors in Sweden receive text when their blood is used. That means friends, to encourage more young people to donate blood, Sahlgrenska University Hospital in Gothenburg, Sweden sends a message to donors when their blood has been dispensed to someone in need. A common issue with blood donation along with other types of charitable donations is that if a donor doesn't know the recipient, it's harder to convince them that donating is beneficial. But with this system, which started in 2012, potential donors in Sweden have proved that their contribution is going to good use. And this should be followed in India. What do you think guys? We have seen so many types of fishes, catfish, and there are so many fishes. But friends, we haven't seen the ratfish yet. This is the ratfish. Friends, a very old looking ratfish caught off the island of Andøy, Norway. But unlikely most of its relatives, which are entirely restricted to deep waters The spotted ratfish has been held in public aquaria. It has also been bred in such aquaria, where two of the main issues are the requirement of low light and low temperature, generally kept at 8 degree to 12 degree Celsius or 46 to 54 degree Fahrenheit. That means the fact of the day. According to the thumbnail, who had come first, hen or egg? Scientists conclude that the chicken came first, not the egg, because the protein which makes eggshells is only produced by hens. That means only hens can produce that protein by which the eggshells are produced.